You might be wondering, it is too late for me to do a video on this newly released smartphone by Xiaomi, the Redmi Note 5, as there is so many videos already, but this video is the last push of info if you were confused. So let's cover everything you need to know about the Redmi Note 5 in 2 minutes. Starting with the display, Redmi Note 5 comes with an 18:9 form, which is kind of sexy. Yes, this is the most visible change from its ancestors. The 5.99-inch display offers a resolution of 2160 x 1080 and the LCD panel is one of the best in this segment. Now coming to the camera, the Redmi Note 5 comes with a 12 megapixel camera, which is as same as the last year's Mi A1. The configuration of the cameras is as follows. It does a great job of taking photos in daylight conditions, but images tend to suffer in low light conditions. The front 5 megapixel camera is as same as the last year's phone and comes with Beautified 3.0. Other things about this phone have not changed from its ancestors, like it's still being powered with 4000 mAh battery, which will give you 2 days after a full charge. Like the other Mi phones from the past 12 months, Redmi Note 5 also comes with Snapdragon 625. Talking about the software, Redmi Note 5 and Note 5 Pro have the latest MIUI 9 but not the latest Android. Both run older Android Nougat and there's no notification on when the latest Android 8.0 Oreo will be available on the two. The Redmi Note 5 supports 4K video recording. Currently the phone does not have face unlock, but Xiaomi has promised to roll out the feature for Note 5 Pro in future updates. Water resistant? Nah.